yang menempuh mata kuliah morfologi. Saya mengajarkan mata kuliah ini di semester 2 program studi pendidikan bahasa Inggris. Berikut saya akan menampilkan video proses pembelajaran mata kuliah morfologi, dalam hal ini mata kuliah pertemuan keempat, yaitu morphological process. Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, I'm fine, thank you. Okay, for today, we start again about our material for morphology. Okay. Do you still remember about morphology? Yeah, what is morphology? Let's us review our material for the first meeting. Do you still remember? Yeah, what is morphology? The study of word. The study of word. Okay, the study of word form. Yeah. Okay, for the first, let me check your attendance list first. Cecilia, Nabila, Bella,
Present.
Lauren, Sik, okay, Suci, Yugis, Davi Pramuja,
Sisi.
Nanda,
Present.
Chanda,
Present.
Yusrani, Wike,
Present, sir.
Ratu,
Present, sir.
Rini,
Present, sir.
Wike,
Present, sir.
double Wike, Dwi Hairul Nisa, Agus Ardiansa,
Present, sir.
Milanda,
Present, sir.
Devia,
Sik.
Sik, okay, and then Pini, the last. Okay. Okay, for today, we start again about morphology, but for our term today is morphological processes. You know processes? You know process?
Yes.
Yeah, what is process?
Step
Step?
by step.
Step by step? Milanda? Milanda? Something ongoing? How to do something? Okay, this is morphological process. Yeah, how morphology process? How the word process? Okay. Next, yeah, what is morphology process or morphology processes? Yeah, morphological processes are the way words are formed or changed by adding. You know adding? Yeah, what is adding? Yeah, menambah. And then combining, menggabungkan. From two word making into one word. And then or modifying, modifying morpheme to create new word or different word form, atau membuat kata baru dalam bentuk yang berbeda, different word form. Next. Okay. Yeah, this is the definition of morphological process. You can see on the slide show. Yeah. You know the definition? Okay, Agus, can you read the slide about the definition? You read?
Definition of morphological processes. Morphological process is the process of forming new words or changing the form of words by adding, combining, or modifying morphemes.
Okay. This is the definition of morphological processes atau proses morfologi atau proses membentuk suatu kata. Morphological process is the process of forming, forming bentuk, forming new word. Kata yang baru, or changing form of word by adding, menambah, adding, and then combining, menggabungkan, or modifying, morphem atau modifikasi. Yeah, okay. This is the definition or the meaning of morphological process. Next, okay. Objective. You know objective? You know objective? Okay, objective mean purpose. You know purpose? Tujuan. Same like your life. You have your own purpose. You have your own objective. Okay, the purpose of morphological processes is to form new word and modify existing word. Jadi tujuannya yang paling utama adalah membentuk kata baru. Can you give me example? Making new word? Okay, maybe leather. Okay, and then modify existing word. Modifikasi kata-kata yang sudah ada, sudah eksis. Oh, ini existing word you can modify. So it means that modifying is the process. Modify the word, modify existing word is morphological process. Okay, this is type of morphological process. Okay, Nabila, can you read?
Types of morphological process. First, affixation or affixation, adding affixes, prefixes, suffixes, infixes, or circumfixes to a word. For example, is happy to unhappy and teach to teacher. Then, second is compounding, combining two or more words to create a new word, like toothbrush and blackboard.
Okay. From Nabila statement here from this slide, type of morphological process. First one is affixation atau affixasi. You know affixasi? Yeah. Affixation mean adding affixes. Maybe prefix, suffix, infix, or circumfix word. For example here, heavy, unhappy. But the real form is happy. But we can add some word. For example, unhappy. From happy to unhappy. Okay. There are some word adding unhappy, but we cannot change the word. The real word is happy. Okay, happy or unhappy. Happy, you know the meaning happy? Yeah, bahagia. Unhappy?
Tidak bahagia.
Tidak?
Tidak bahagia.
Okay, now teach.
Mengajar.
Mengajar. And then we add some word or er here. Er become a teacher. Okay, for example, happy and unhappy. Unhappy. We add some word un. It means the prefixes. And then teacher. Suffix. Okay. Happy, unhappy, still in one form. Happy and unhappy is adjective, but for teach we add an, start from verb, and then we can change the meaning, or can change the kind of word is teacher, become noun. You know noun?
Yes.
Noun kata? Kata benda. And then for the second one is compounding. Do you still remember compound? Compound word?
Gabungan.
Gabungan. Atau bahasa lainnya apa compound? Kalimat kata majemuk. Combining two or more words to create new word. Menggabungkan dua atau lebih kata menjadi kata yang baru. Okay, for example, toothbrush. You know toothbrush? Sikat? Tahu sikat gigi? Oke, itu kata sifat atau noun? Noun. Tapi ya, we start from toothbrush, ya, from the word tooth and then brush. Tooth, gigi, and brush, sikat atau menyikat. Nah, and then we combine the word, two or more than word become one meaning in new word. Okay, tooth, brush, start from noun and then we combine with verb, yeah, become toothbrush, noun. Sikat gigi, and then blackboard, papan tulis. Yeah, blackboard come from what kind of word? Black and black, is it adjective? Adjective or noun? Yeah, black is adjective. And then board? Noun. Adjective plus noun. But here is not adjective plus noun, but we combine adjective and noun become new word, blackboard. Yeah, what do you mean of blackboard? Papan tulis. Okay. Okay, blackboard and then toothbrush. This is combining two or more than word to create new word. Okay, next, reduplication. Repeating a word or part of word. Repeating, you know repeat? Lisa? You know repeat? No? Okay. Example here is rumah-rumah. It means that many houses. But the word from house. House and then houses. And then car. For example, another example is car. Car, and then we can repeat. The word is cars. There are many cars. And then children. Yeah, children come from child. Many children. Many child. Children. This is reduplication. You have any example about reduplication? Or you can make some conclusion about reduplication? Ratu? You can make another example? No? Okay, you can see the example. Houses, there are many houses. And then children, there are many child. Yeah, this word come from house and then children come from child. So it means that we can make the conclusion, we can, this is maybe use the singular and plural. Do you still remember about singular? Milanda? You know singular? Singular? Because, what do you mean singular? Okay, single, satu. Plural? Jamak. Jamak ya? Is more than one. Yeah. From the type for reduplication, it means that maybe start from single and then plural. Repeating, mengulang. Jadi sebenarnya kata-kata itu berulang, tapi katanya masih tetap satu. Tinggal kita tambah S dan ES atau ada kata yang lain yang membedakannya dari kata tunggal menjadi jamak. And then for the second one is conversion. So what is conversion? Konversi. Changing words grammatical category without changing its form. What does it mean? Changing a word grammatical category without changing its form. Mengubah kata secara struktural atau secara gramatikal kategori atau bentuk tanpa mengubah bentuknya. Google. Okay, here to Google. To Google. Apa to Google? Searching. Browsing. Any other example? Conversion. Search. To search. And here we add the word to infinitive. But from this example, Google is noun. To Google is verb. So it means that we can change the word grammatically, but not change the form. For example, another example, student. You know student? Okay, student is siswa. We can change to another form. No. Student. Only not. No. We cannot change into to student. But student only student. What else? What else? Do you know book? To book? Book, not book. Book. If you want to go to a hotel and then you need a bedroom, you must book. Okay. Book, okay, and then booking or to book. But we can change the form. Jadi dari kata booking, membooking atau memesan. Next, clipping. You know clipping? Okay, Vini, read the slide.
Shortening a longer word.
Shortening a longer word.
Shortening a longer word. Advertisement at laboratory lab. Sick blending, combining parts of two words to form a new word. Breakfast or lunch. Brunch.
Branch. Okay. The fifth type is clipping. Clipping. Okay. Clipping. Shortening a longer word. Okay. Start from the longer word we make into short word. Dengan kata lain adalah singkat. Singkatan. Do you still remember? Yeah, advertisement. Ad. Okay. Or ADS. Okay. Advertisement. Laboratory. Lab. Jadi intinya apa? Kata itu disingkat. Do you still remember about assisted?
Yes.
Yeah, what is it? Accepted. Assisted. Don't forget. Okay. If you have some report, okay, I have assisted. You know assisted? Yeah. Accepted. DP? Down? Down payment. Okay. What else? With? Within? With? Oh, WD. WD. Or WD. Withdraw. Okay. There are many examples about clipping. And then blending. Blending come from the word blend or mix atau mencampur. Combining part of two words to form a new word. Okay, breakfast and lunch, brunch. Okay, brunch. Next. Okay, maybe this is enough for this our material about morphological process. Maybe the short material about the process in morphology, how the word form, maybe create new word by adding, combining, and then the last is adding. What else? Adding, compounding, reduplication or repeating, conversion, clipping, blending, and blending. Okay, you have any question? Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, hari ini
Mengapa proses morfologi penting dalam pembentukan kata?
mengapa?
Proses morfologi penting dalam pembentukan kata.
Mengapa proses morfologi penting dalam pembentukan why the process of morphology or morphological process is important because we can know the new word, not only the basic word, lexical word, okay? Only the real word, but we can create, for example, run, okay, we know run is verb, but in morphological process, if we add AR, okay, AR become noun, okay, run, berlari, kalau kita tambah ER atau akhiran ER jadi pelari. Okay. Start from here we know, okay, oh, this word in English, one word in English we can make new word, or we can create new word. So it is important. But don't be confused, because one word maybe have many form or many meaning. Okay, for example, look. You know look?
Yes.
Look, melihat. Look have the similarity in word form is see, melihat. Look and see. But we can add something. For example, look like. Looks like. Compounding. Oh, start from look and like. Look, melihat, like, suka. But in English, looks like, it's mean that the type of compounding the word, menggabungkan. There are two words, but we combine into new word or one meaning. Okay, another meaning, but we can change the form. Okay. Any question again? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, if you understand, okay, next. Okay, this is for conclusion. Okay, this is an error about M. Okay, this conclusion. Morphological processes are the basis of word formation and change. Proses morfologi adalah dasar dari pembentukan kata dan perubahan, atau dari membentuk sampai mengubah. And then inflectional formation only complement the grammar without changing the identity of the word. Jadi perubahannya itu hanya sebatas pelengkap, tapi tanpa mengubah identitas dari kata. And there are many types of processes: affixation, combination, and repetition, cutting, blending, and sound change, and also irregular form. Jadi ada banyak tipe di sini. Tipe dari proses, ya bisa kita menambah adding or affixation, combination, combine two word, and then repetition, mengulang. For example, house, we can repeat again. House is houses. There are many house, not house, but houses. Okay. And then understanding the difference between inflection and derivation. Important to accurate analysis of language structure. Jadi kita lebih memahami perbedaan dan struktur bahasa. Okay? Maybe enough for today. This is our material about morphological process. Or if you have something to ask, you can ask me for a question. Do you have any question? Or do you understand about this material?
Yes.
Okay. Now, maybe for your assignment in your house, okay, you can find in Google maybe. Okay, you can browse. There are many material about morphological process. For example, like journal, blogger, and there are many other source of information about morphology. Okay, I think enough for today. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.